Hi everyone, I welcome you to Students World channel. Today we are going to learn about quadratic equations. So, there are total 3 methods through which we can solve any quadratic equation. But today we are going to learn about this method, middle term breaking method. It's very easy and I hope that some of you have done this before also because it's similar to factorization. So first of all, let us take a look at what is quadratic equation and how does it look like. So here in front of you is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c. A is the coefficient, the first coefficient, and b is the second coefficient, and c is the constant. So the requirement of a quadratic equation is that it must have a x squared and should be written in this format. And for example, if it is written as bx plus c plus ax square. So no need to panic. We have to just check that whether it has a square or not. So here we can see that here is a square. So what can we do? We can shuffle its place, like we will do ax square plus b and ax squared plus b x plus c, so it will come in this form again. So just the main thing is that we should take care of this x squared and we should be very careful that whether the square is here or not, and if the places are changed, so we can just shuffle them and we can get this kind of equation into this form. Okay then, so here we are going to do the middle term breaking. These two methods we will do in other videos. I will upload separate video for each method. So today, as I told you, we are going to do middle term breaking. So here I have a question with me. Okay, let us start. I am taking a very simple question, so it will be easy for all of you to understand. X square. So here, 1 is here. If there is nothing written, so it means it's 1. 1. So this thing we have to be careful about that. If nothing is written here, so it means it's 1. Okay then. Plus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Okay then. Here we have the question. Okay. So I am going to drag this down so it will be easy for us. Okay. Here it is. Okay. So let us start solving it. So here, this one is A, 5 is B, and 6 is C. Okay then. So as you all know, middle term breaking method, some of you might know it. So just let me repeat it. In middle term breaking method, we have to multiply A with C, means the first coefficient with the second constant. So 6 into 1 will be 6. We will also consider the variable. It's x square. So x square, because there is no variable with 6, so we will take x square as it is. Okay. So here we will find the the factors of 6x square. Okay then. So, and we have to take care that when we multiply those two numbers, so they will give us the product 6x square, and when we add them, so the sum of those numbers would be plus 5x. So let us start at 2, 3. We won't write 3 2 because it's the same 2 into 3 or 3 into 2, and we have mentioned both the numbers. So here we will do 6 and 2 1. So we don't need to go further. We can take this one. We will take this, and we can also take this. We will try both. Whichever fits the equation, we will choose that one. Okay then. We should try this one first. 2 into 2 3s are. Okay, so first of all, I will not write 1 now, because as it's understood that if there is nothing written, so it means 1. I will write as it is x square plus. Now I will write 2 first, 2x. Okay, so one thing more, we have to be careful whatever the sign is. Here it's plus luckily, but if it's minus, so we have to be careful while putting the signs on the numbers. So here we will write plus 3x plus 6 equals to 0, as you all know. Okay then. Now we will divide this equation into two parts. First part is this, and the second part is this. Two different parts, okay? And let me just do it in a triangle. This part and this part. Okay then. So here what are we going to do? We will take common from them. Means we will take two commons because there are two parts, so the commons will be also two. So here firstly I will write x square plus 2x. What is the common between them? X. Okay, so I will write only one x outside, and here it's x square. So we have to be careful. We have just taken one x, so it means that there is an other x which will be staying inside, and here there was only one x, so it was just taken as common, and 2 will remain as it is. Okay, then it's turn for the second part. I will write sign plus. Okay, so here 3 is common. 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6. So here I will write 3. Here x 3 is taken and 1 will be remaining. So we won't write 1, we will just write x. So it will be x, and 3 twos are 6. So 3 is taken out. So 2 will be remaining here. 3x plus 2 equals to 0. So now as the two are common, so we will just write one single set, x plus 2. Okay, Now here we have x and plus 3, so we will also keep them in a bracket. It will become x plus 3 equals to 0. So now what will we do? As we can see that x plus 2, we will separate them both. X plus 2 equals to 0, and let me draw a line. We won't leave the answer as it is because we have to do further more steps. Okay then. So as we know that when there is an equals to sign, so we can shift any number on the right side, or we can just shift it from right to left or left to right. So here what will we do? We will keep the variable on the same side, but we will shift this constant here. I guess we will say it constant, yeah. And here we will also keep the variable here, and we will shift the 3 here. So as we all know, when we shift any number from left to right, so the sign changes. So here the sign of the sign of 2 is plus, and here the sign of 3 is also plus. So when we will shift it on the other side, it will change to minus 2. So here it's 0. So uh, 2 minus 0 is equals to 2. So we won't write it again. And here plus c would be turned into minus 3. And as you know, 3 minus 0 or 0 minus c will be minus c. And here I just did a mistake here. I didn't mention minus 2 sign. So here we will write minus 2 and minus 3 because we are changing the side, and 0 minus 3 is equal to 3 and 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. So here we have the answers for our question, and here are the two possible values of x. So I hope this video was helpful for all of you, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.